If you're having trouble with voice chat on your Nintendo Switch, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to a stable internet connection. You can test your connection by going to System Settings, then Internet, and selecting Test Connection. Step 2. Update Nintendo Switch. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, select System, and then Software Update to check for any available updates. Step 3. Verify voice chat settings. Open the game you are trying to use voice chat with and check the in-game settings. Ensure that voice chat is enabled and that your microphone settings are correctly configured. Step 4. Use the Nintendo Switch Online app. If you're using the Nintendo Switch Online app for voice chat, ensure that it is updated. Open the app and check that you're logged in with the same Nintendo account linked to your Switch. Step 5. Restart your devices. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve issues. Turn off your Nintendo Switch and the device you are using for voice chat, smartphone or tablet, then turn them back on and try again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any voice chat issues on your Nintendo Switch. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.